Mes amis, football is like fencing. It's a noble art. This is Zlatan. Can you beat this? En garde.
Esta vida, 420, pistols pointed, botellas empty, first 10 rows anointed. The fiesta's popping and all fingers pointed. Our Riyadh Bottles got the whole crowd jointed.
Who wins? I don't know.